Hey tech junkies! Ever heard people say you can't get cinematic pans with an iPhone? Well, we're about to bust that myth. We're taking the iPhone 15 Pro Max out for a spin on this bright autumn day. Let's roll! Check this out, a 24mm pan. See that wooden sculpture? It's not just eye candy, it's a detail monster. As we move, watch how the tree and path steal the show. This is your go-to lens for capturing intricate details. Switching to 13mm, and boom, it's like we've pulled back a curtain. More scenery, more drama. Yeah, there's a tiny bit of edge distortion, but who cares when the shot looks this epic? Sticking with 13mm, look at this landscape. That lone tree, it's the rock star here. The wind's making everything dance. If you're into landscapes, this lens is your new BFF. Medium shot time, this could be a top-selling stock clip, no joke. The colors are popping like your favorite YouTuber's merch. It's a feast for your eyes. Zooming into 120mm, and it's a game changer. The tree's so detailed, it's like you're sitting under it. This lens is perfect for those up-close and personal moments. Still at 120mm and aiming for the crown. No birds, but who needs them with detail this crisp? This is your lens for capturing the unreachable. Another pan at 120mm, and not a detail is lost. If you're into HDR, this lens holds up like a champ. It's your go-to for dynamic shots. Ready for a marathon? A full minute at 120mm, the 5x setting of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the lens that says, I can handle it. Perfect for those long, dramatic shots. Back to 13mm for a shot that's pure art. The color shifts from the left side with backlit leaves to the right side with diffuse reflections are insane. If you're into capturing moods, this lens is your paintbrush. Last up, A 120mm pan that's a fall color buffet. It's like the iPhone's showing off now. If you want to capture the whole picture, this is your lens. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If this tech joyride got you pumped, smash that like button and hit subscribe. We've got more iPhone motion picture magic coming, and you won't want to miss it.